Tara Mullins, Club Soccer, Galway Bohemians, ag Gundin na Gaillimhe.
My first memory nearly of Cara is with a ball at her feet.
Since the word go, Cara had the determination to get where she wanted to be.
But national school, we were all mad into it. I was the only girl playing with the lads out in the court, even though we weren't supposed to be playing soccer.
There wasn't many people that could head a ball like her. Like, she proved it when she came on for Ireland. She was only on the pitch 2 minutes. Corner came, Cara Mullins, in the net.
I played for Ireland, 10 caps for Ireland and two goals. I scored my first goal against Poland.
She damaged her knee at home here in Ireland. She did the ACL, she tore the ACL. So that kind of hampered her progress a bit. I rushed back and then I got a call from a coach in America who wanted me to go over there. I was getting to that age where I needed to go.
Ach an anjóin na neisina imirthe, bhí rún ó bhór a carrasca mór de Cara, agus é a fás anís.
There was a lot going on for me as well with my sexuality. It was really hard. It was really hard on me. I was kind of in and out of relationships as well, and if anything went wrong in that relationship, I had nobody I suppose I had nobody to talk to about it. There was a lot of nights in my room crying myself to sleep, and to be honest, I don't feel kind of feel more sorry for my parents, that they didn't know that I was upset, and which was really silly of me because when I told them, they didn't care at all.
Once I think she told us, it done her good. I was so happy that she found herself.
As long as she was happy, right?
She's happy.
The most important thing.
Agus a tiismóirí an ólas fin na saoil pásanta, ní fada gur bhfuil Cara le na partner Shauna.
Met Shauna then, and we were a few years together then, and we decided that maybe we should have a little family. Shauna decided, she's the older of the two of us, she decided she'd go first, and everything went really well for her. She got pregnant and had a great pregnancy, not a bother. And then we had Reese, that was our firstborn. I started then my IUIs maybe 2019-20, and I became pregnant straight away. And the nurse just kind of went from being so bubbly and chatty to just being really quiet, and I knew something was wrong. She just kind of told me that your baby is measuring a week behind, and the heartbeat was very low, and they just said that this usually leads to a miscarriage when we see these kind of symptoms. And they were right, it did, yeah. Unfortunately, a couple of days later, I had a miscarriage, and it was horrible.
And she was absolutely devastated because, it was her, she always wanted to have a baby.
Yeah.
Heartbreaking.
And we decided then to go for IVF. That worked straight away then. And it was actually the same nurse that scanned me for when I went in for the miscarriage to tell me that my baby was gone. She was there to tell me that my baby was there. And then I suppose when you get pregnant then after having a miscarriage, you're obviously worried. Your stress levels are high. I woke up with terrible pain in my abdomen, and I started to have a bleed, and I was like, geez, it's not happening again. And the doctor, he said, I'm 70% sure you're having another miscarriage. And sure, we were devastated, absolutely devastated. But thankfully, they kept me in, and had a scan in the morning, and sure, there she was, totally fine, absolutely fine. And we had Regan. I just thought, let's give it one last go of playing with a good side at a competitive level, and see how I get on. Just kind of one last hurrah, I suppose.
It's been a long time since she's played at this kind of a standard, so...
Oh, she will be a big player for the Underdogs, yeah. Of course she will, yeah. Because she has the ability. If you have it, you won't lose it.
Underdogs, a go forward le Airgrid.